Hello everyone, I'm Chase, the Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the Quikstem push and tire valve stem from Hardline. All right, everyone, thanks for checking in with us today. As you can see, we're talking about these Quikstem from Hardline. These are nice to have as, say, a backup plan in case you do rip your valve stem and you need to replace it on the fly. So it could be for your ATV, your UTV, your truck, your trailer, your tractor, does not matter. These are meant to fit a hole in your rim of 0.453 inches, which is going to be your most popular size for your off-road vehicles. But what's nice about these is that they are very easy to install. So even if you have just a leaky valve stem right now, you want to replace it, you can change these out in a matter of minutes. And the way you do it is very simple. So these are made from a high quality steel, so they're not going to rust. And as you can see, it's just a valve stem, but on the bottom here, you can see you have this little black rubber grommet. So all you're going to do, if you already have your other valve stem in, you're just going to pop it out, and you're just going to take this, you're going to insert it into the hole that you have for your valve stem on your wheel, and then once you've done that, you're going to have a nut on the top, you're just going to start to tighten that down. And I talked to the guys at Hardline, they're saying about 4 or 5 revolutions, and as you start to tighten down that nut that you have on top, it will start to compress that black rubber grommet, and that's what creates the seal on the wheel. And obviously with any valve stem hole that you have on your wheel, there might be some imperfections there. So because you have that black rubber grommet, it's going to fill up any of those imperfections that you might have, giving a nice tight seal. So you can see, very easy to do. Now here's one thing that I did notice. I actually installed one of these on this wheel just to give it a try. When I put this through and I started to tighten it down, the whole valve stem was spinning and I couldn't get that black rubber grommet to compress. So what I had to do was just simply take a pair of pliers. I took the little cap off the valve stem. I used the pliers just to hold it in place, and then I just used an open-end wrench, tighten it down again, 4 or 5 revolutions, very simple. Once I started doing that, you can see that black rubber grommet start to compress, and that's gonna give you the tight seal. So again, if you're just looking for maybe a backup plan for your tire valves, you wanna make sure that if worst case scenario, you were to tear one, you need to replace it quickly, easily on the fly, or if you have a leaky valve stem now and you wanna replace it, and again, you don't wanna have to take the wheel off the machine, you don't wanna have to break the bead of the tire off, this will allow you to do so in a matter of minutes. If you have questions or comments about these, leave those below, we'll get your questions answered. And to pick some up, you can just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. All orders over $75 ship free. And if you guys like this video, we got a lot more great product spotlights on a lot of great UTV and off-road products on our website. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.